Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you or discuss with you how to fix NETGEAR router not connecting to internet. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. Now, if your NETGEAR router here isn't connecting to the internet, the issue is usually related to a weak or lost signal from your internet service provider, or ISP for short. Now, or a problem with your router settings. Now, to fix this one, you first need to try reconnecting your router directly to your computer here using an Ethernet cable. Now, restart your computer and see if you get internet access. Now, if that doesn't work, try the same test with any other modem you have, and if there's still no connection here, the issue is likely with your ISP, and you should contact their customer support for additional assistance here. And also, another common reason is that your NETGEAR router might not be receiving proper IP address from your ISP. Now, to check this, you want to connect a device to your router's network and visit routerlogin.net and log in using your router's admin credentials, usually admin as the username, and the password you set. Now, once logged in, go to administration and then go to router status and look at the internet port section. Now, if the IP address shows as all 00000, it means your router isn't getting IP from your modem. Now, in that case, try restarting your network. Turn off both your modem and router for about 30 seconds. Now, if you can wait more, maybe make it 1 minute or 5 minutes, then power them back on in the correct order. So modem first, then your router. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video is able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.